Hey everybody, this is Kent from St. Louis Foundation Repairs. We're on day 5 of the Accomac Foundation Piering and Lift project. We are pouring concrete into our pier locations. We have our piers set in place. We did get an 1 3/4 lift out of this. Our second floor, we're only about a 1/2 inch still out of level, which is a lot closer than the 2 inches that we were out of level when we first started this job. We also braced off this front porch in order to keep the floor in place as we did the lift. This will actually stay in place, and the contractor, who is also the homeowner, will set up their own permanent shoring system. So we'll leave this in place when we leave, but we should have all these piers encased here when we leave today. It's Friday. We'll be in here tomorrow also. We have to remove these piers and pour some new piers for here as well. Again, this is Kent from St. Louis Foundation Repairs. Call us for all of your foundation repair needs. 314-520-9515. You can also visit our website at stlouisfoundationrepairs.com.